Hello art friends, it is Lady Draws a Lot. I am an illustrator and a comic book artist, and I am here in a hotel. I'm traveling for a comic convention, so I thought since I kind of have some time at night with these conventions, that I'm in a hotel by myself, and normally, you know, when I'm at home, I've got kids and responsibilities and da 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 da. Here it's kind of like chill at night. So I thought I would bring with me, y'all know what this means, right? Brought one of the mystery boxes. There's something that's rattling in there a little bit. Do you hear that? One of these days I'm gonna break something in one of these things and I'm gonna be mad about it, but I really have nobody to blame but myself because I'm just like, you know? Anyway, I got a little pre-convention jitters, so it's a good time to maybe take my mind off things and do some artwork. Why not? And dance to no music. But thanks to the power of editing, there's some music, hopefully. So if this is your first time joining me, what I do with these art boxes is I open them up. Everything is a surprise to me, and I use whatever's inside to create art, and then I give you my first impressions of those products. So stick around for that. Without further ado, guys, let's get creative. Here's what we have in this box. Looks like this was the October 2021 box. So this came with the Kuretake-ZIG Manga Liner. I am really excited about trying this because the last Kuretake liner I tried, it became like a holy grail for me. So I'll be very interested to see how this one performs. Very excited to try it. Here we have the Mitsubishi Pencil, and it's a really pretty pencil, and it's got a cedar wood in there, and to be or not to be, I'm sorry, I can't not, right? I mean, come on. And here we have the Liquitex Professional Acrylic Ink. So this one is in the color Fluorescent Orange. This one is sure gonna give me a run for my money because, whoa, I have no idea what to make with this. My imagination is just going crazy with this color. How cool is this color? So this is waterproof and dries to a satin finish, it says. It's light fast and the color should last a lifetime then. So Liquitex, it makes good products, so I'm very excited to try this. It said they just added 20 new colors to their range. So the card in the box said, which color did you get? So I'm guessing there's a variety of colors that went out in this box. So I would love to see what colors other people have gotten here and how they ended up looking, because this is exciting color. It's very unusual for me to use an orange like this, so I'm excited. All right, and then we've got the Windsor Newton Professional Watercolor Synthetic Sable Brush. And this brush has a rounded tip on there. This looks like it'll be very versatile for its uses. And the cool thing I've noticed about this right away is its shape. It's got this nice, it feels really good to hold here, and then it's also got this sort of rounded end here. So if you're someone who likes to hold your brush for maybe some details work from farther away, this may be worth looking into for you, because I've not seen brushes like that. Really, it struck me as very unique right away. So this, I'm excited to try this out and see how this performs too. All right, well, luckily I have brought with me a sharpener, so I'll be able to do this, and I brought with me some paper as well. So for this artwork that I'm gonna make, just based on the products here, I still don't know what exactly I'm going to draw, but I'm gonna go ahead and use the Arnhem paper. I had brought with me a couple different papers, but it looks like this one's going to be probably the best one for these products. So this is a smooth paper. It has a good thickness to it. Bright white, 4x6 in size. So that's what I'll be using there. So I'll go ahead and get my art station ready with some water and paper towels, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here's where I ended up on my goldfish sketch. I don't know if it's coming through the punch of this fluorescent orange color. It really does look like that fluorescent bright color in person. As I'm seeing it on the camera, I'm not sure it's showing up that way, but in person, in case this, I don't know, looks different. It looks very fluorescent, very neon. Not sure that's picking it up, but it is everything the package says it is. And let's go ahead and get into the reviews here and what I thought about using all these things. Yeah. Okay, so let's start with this Liquitex Acrylic Ink. This I thought was really nice. It's very smooth going on. So this retails, according to Art Snacks, for $7.99. I don't think that's a bad price. This is a 1 ounce jar, and this is gonna get you pretty far. It's a nice bit of ink here in this, and the color really is neat. And if you're looking for something with a bit of a punch, like a very unique color range, I would suggest maybe, you know, checking out Liquitex and seeing what they have. This performs well and is worth checking out. So, would I buy this again? Yes. Yes, I would buy that again. Okay, and then we have our Mitsubishi Hi Uni Pencil. This is a really nice pencil. To be or not to be.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Okay, so what I liked about this pencil, honestly, is this finish on it. It's just really nice to hold. It's so smooth, and it feels something luxurious about it. And you know, that's weird to say about a pencil, honestly, but that's how I feel. I guess the only thing that would improve it would be to have an eraser at the end, because that's nice to have, and you know, this doesn't, but it's fine. The lead on it performed very well. It felt like a 2B. Oh my god, I had to stop myself from saying it. You already know what I wanted to say. Like, shut up. Oh, I know it's bad, right? Okay, so yeah, this performed really well. You're able to sketch with it, get nice dark marks, and even do some smudging there to get some shading if you need. It's a very nice pencil. $2.75 for this pencil according to Art Snacks. I don't think that's a bad price. Would I buy it again at that price? Probably. Yeah, so this is a nice pencil. Okay, let's move on. Okay, then we have the Kuretake-ZIG let's try this again. Kuretake Manga Liner. Doesn't say what color this is in, and whoops, there's a lot of Japanese on the label here, so it doesn't quite say what color it is, but this is a pretty like sea foam green color. The tip is really nice, so it holds its shape pretty much. That nib tip is what is the width it's gonna be, right? There's not too much line weight variation here. You can get a little bit. You can get some line variation, but not a ton. This is not like a brush tip pen, and nor is it supposed to be. I think this performs really well. It does exactly what it's supposed to do. I think Kuretake did yet again a good job. This retails for $4. Would I buy this again at $4? Yes. This is nice, and it performed well. I don't know. I don't have any complaints. All right, then we have the Windsor & Newton Professional Watercolor Synthetic Sable brush. This is a nice brush, and you're able to get a lot of different line weights with this particular size of brush tip, and the fact that it's round tip, so you can get really nice definition and line weights, and it's just a really versatile brush. And the fact that this handle here has this nice ergonomic to it, where you can be very comfortable holding it closer to the brush tip, and also if you want to back up and hold it closer to the end, it's really comfortable to do that too. It just kind of sits very nicely in the hand. So it's a comfortable brush. It's very nice. It's a number 4 synthetic sable round. So that rounds up everything here. And this was a wonderful Art Snacks box. I liked everything in this box. I don't have a complaint about any of it. Oh, I forgot to mention the price of this brush. This brush retails, according to Art Snacks,
anywhere from $12.59 to $17.29. Definitely not a bad price for a brush. I have paid far more for brushes, so yes, I think that's a fair price for that brush. And you know what? After seeing the prices on Dick Blick website, I bet you if you go on there and search for these things, you're gonna find them at probably even better prices than these. So try that first, I'd say. Otherwise, I think these are worth checking out at the prices they're listed at. And hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you are curious what a day in a comic convention is like for me, stay tuned. I'll put some of that footage here at the end. Otherwise, if the unboxing is all you wish to see, then I'll see you so much next. See you so much. Ooh. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you all so much. Bye.
Hey guys, it's the morning of the convention. I'm all ready to go, and let me show you the convention.